Hi, this is the team from Easel. Welcome to another video in our YouTube course on using apps from the Easel app library. Today we're going to be talking about the Interlocker app. This app allows us to basically take a two-dimensional shape, copy it, cut a notch in both of those, and then fit them together at a 90-degree angle with each other so that they basically create a two-dimensional object that sort of looks a little more three-dimensional. And I'm going to make one and kind of talk through it. So I've got this object here. I'm going to select it, move over to the left-hand toolbar, and select Apps. From the app library, I can scroll down and select Interlocker. Here I'm given a couple of options. Slot position, notch size, and bit size. Slot position really just moves where the slot is for the interlock. Notch size is how thick your notch is that the pieces are fitting into. And this is a really important one because if you're cutting with a specific material size, you want to make sure that your notch is the right size for that material. So in this case, my birch plywood is a ½ inch thick, so I want to make sure that my notch is a ½ inch thick so that my material can sit into the notch correctly. And then it's going to ask me my bit size. I'll go ahead and click on import, and then it's going to keep my original and give me 2 copies. And this is just another great opportunity to copy those new ones and paste them into a new workpiece. And then you can keep your original and have your new one ready to go. And this is just a really cool tool for creating more three-dimensional objects with Easel. Some caveats are not all objects are going to work well for something like the Interlocker app. I think basic shapes like trees or pumpkins or just kind of very basic shapes, or like if you had an ornament shape and you wanted to cut it, like things like that are going to work really well with this app. But more complex shapes, you might run into some issues. So I would say choose the shape based on that information. And that's a little bit more about the Interlocker app. There'll be a project below that you can try it for yourself. Copy the project, give it a try, let us know what you think in the comments. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.